This review is for the DILISS magnetic dual-sided measuring spoons. Now I've got them lined up here on the counter just to show the fact that the slightly flattened one side allows you to actually place things down with content in them. You know how sometimes you'll measure something out and then find that you've got to do something else before you use it? Or at least I know I do on occasion. This way you can put it down and don't worry about it tipping over. So the point of the double-sided is the one side is for liquid and the other side is for going inside containers. You know how you want to measure a tablespoon or something and you find that the rounded spoon won't fit into your container? Well, the other side on this one is going to fit in. And you'll be able to, I mean, it's not going to go in this one because it's tightly packed spices, but you can just scoop the other side in and you've got whatever you need. Now, an example being, that was for 1 tablespoon. Example being, let's go for half a teaspoon. That's not going in. But here, easily done. Now, second thing with these, let's see if I can do it over a bowl so that I don't make a mess. So you get your half a teaspoon and then you find you've scooped up a bit too much. So now you start shaking it around to level it out. With this, it comes with a leveler. So all you have to do is swipe it across and you've got a perfect half teaspoon right there. Now, you have your measurements on every one of these is in teaspoons and in mil also. So if your recipe calls for mil, you've got it right there. And these central pieces are magnets. So when you're done using them, you just put them all together. You feel that? I mean, look, whoops. So it's fairly strong. Put all that together and even the leveler has a magnet on it. And now you can lay them down in your drawer and you've got them all together. It's really a cool set. The fact that they're not tethered together with a ring, which a lot of the measuring spoon sets are. It's one way to keep them together, but it also makes it awkward when you want to use one of them. These you don't have to worry about it. You don't have to wash the whole set because you've used one, and you don't have to take the time to separate them and put them back together afterwards because they're just magnetic and hold together. So that's the DILISS dual-sided magnetic measuring spoon set.